Hello there, just got done watching the movie Serial Mom. This is a comedy from 1994. It is 1 hour and 33 minutes long. It is rated R. This is a dark comedy. A seamlessly harmless suburban housewife becomes a prime suspect in a series of brutal murders. This has Kathleen Turner in it, Ricky Lake, Sam Waterston, and directed by John Walters. I really enjoy this. This is one of my favorite dark comedies. I think they did such a fun job with this movie. And yeah, what'd you think, Lisa?
Yeah, it was good. You don't want to be using the brown word.
No, you don't.
Although I think it's kind of funny it's rated R. I mean, if they re-rated that movie to current day, I think it would be more like a PG-13, 14.
Yeah, definitely. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a good movie.
Yeah, I would give this easily a... For dark comedy, honestly, this hits all the marks for me. So I would say 5 out of 5 stars for this one. What about you?
Yeah, same.
Same. Yeah, if you've seen Serial Mom, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, I'll link it below if you want to see it. Oh my, sorry. I'll link it below if you want to see it. And if you haven't seen it, do you typically like dark comedies? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.